Today we're looking at 3 multi-tool pliers that you can take fishing. And the first one is this one here, the long nose pliers. It's made out of stainless steel. Yeah, it's quite cheap on eBay, but it's something that you need when you go fishing. It's long nose because of the reason that you can de-hook a fish if it swallowed the hook, and that's the whole reason for it being so long. The handle of it is actually nice. It's a nice grippy handle. It's a softer rubber than usual. It's not a hard plastic. It's not too soft. Now, in the back here, you've got 2 holes that you can put a lanyard in and secure your pliers to your bag or to your belt. Your hinge is right here, so you push it back to open it up, and it opens up with this nice strong spring here. Now, the design of it is long because, like I said before, to get into the mouth to de-hook the fish. Now, they do have 2-blade scissor style at the back here, so you can cut braid or you can cut fishing line or even wire it. So in the back here, you see a little hole here. That's where you put a wire, and that's where you'd cut your wire. So it's really good. So you can cut line and braid and wire and everything with these things. Now, it's got these indentations here, so you can, for lead biting. So if you've got some lead that you want to bite onto your line, that's where you'd put it in here. Now let's test out the cutting capabilities of this. We'll start with the braid. No problems at all. If you can cut braid, then cut fishing line, no problems. There's the fishing line. Yeah, no problems. Yeah, so that's the first one. That's the long nose ones. Now, they're really cheap, so head over to eBay if you think you might need one of these, and check them out for yourselves. Now, the next ones are these ones here. That's 2 for the price of 1, and I'll put that deal down in the description for you guys if you want to check them out for yourselves. And same deal again, they're fishing pliers. So you've got your little hatch here, your clip, to open up. The spring's not too bad. It's nice and heavy duty there, so it's actually quite good. Now, the handle is a little bit different on this one. It's a hard plastic. And I like the orange because, you can see it. The black is okay too. And they work in a similar way. Now, these do have the little split ring bit in the front here, and they do come with the cutters as well. So let's test out the cutter first. No problems at all. Let's test the fishing line. No problems at all. Now, you might have noticed that this one has the little circle here as well for wire cutting. So you put your wire through there and you can cut it. Now, the idea for ring splitters, as you see in the front here, is for something like this. If you've got your lure and you want to change the actual hooks on your lures, the little ring that holds the hook in to the lure, you could use the split ring. So you can split them apart, so you can bring the, so you can change the actual hook, which I'll demonstrate on something a little bit bigger so you can see. So say you've got your ring here and the hook's on here, and you want to open it up. This is what you do. You do that, and you can bring your hooks off, and and that's how you do it. That's how you do the split ring. Okay, so great little pliers, throw in your tackle box, and also with the ring in the back here, you could put the lanyard on that as well, and secure it to your belt or your tackle. And you do get 2 for the price of 1. And again, these are stainless steel, so they won't rust on you. All right, so next we've got this one here. Now, this measures out at 7.9. Actually, I'll measure the other one first. Let's see how long this one is. So this one measures at 22.5 centimeters, which is almost 9 inches long. This one here. And this one here, this one comes with a little pouch, which I like. I like it when they come with pouches. Now, in the pouch itself, it's got this little strap over, so you put your pliers in here, and it straps over like so. I don't like it like that, so when I go fishing, I tuck it in here because, it's already strapped to it anyway, and this is strapped to your belt with this belt strap here. So, yeah. So I like to get to it pretty fast. So if If it's in like that, you pull it out. You don't have to undo this Velcro strap. So what have we got here? So we've got this style of pliers here. Again, it's got the cutters here, a little bit different style of cutters. I don't know if you can see that. So it's more like a plier cutter. You've got your lead biter here, and you've got your split ring here. Let me demonstrate the split ring real fast again. So you put that in there and open the ring up. On eBay, when you see these pliers, it actually says aluminum, all right? But when you open it up and you go to the description of it, it actually says that it's stainless steel with ABS. All right, so this one here is around about 7.9 inches long. Let's just measure that. And it doesn't stay closed. This one doesn't stay closed. It doesn't have a clip to close this one. Let's put it right at the tip. And we're at 20 centimeters, which is 8 inches long. Okay, the construction of it is pretty good. Cutters here, let's try them out. These are made for braid. Very good. Cuts it really well. Okay, now let's try it with fishing line. No problems at all. And again, all of these pliers here, they're actually quite cheap. So if you're a keen fisherman and you need some pliers, these hopefully will give you some idea what's out there and what's about. And yeah, and that's basically it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you got any benefit out of this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one real soon.